Hello everyone, this is Arely and here is Sean. He's gonna be helping me today with this video. We're gonna be doing a video for our salsa basics. We're gonna be doing it on ON1 salsa, and then on that we're gonna talk about the three main basics, which is forward and back, side to side, and double back break. So we're gonna start. We're gonna face each other, and the first thing that we wanna do is make sure that our feet are in between each other and not in front of each other, because if not, we're gonna knee each other, yeah? So a little bit off center. Second thing, we're gonna go into our close hold. He's taking his right hand into my shoulder blade, the other hand on the side, and it should be just comfortable for both, no gaps in between. So now the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to be stepping with our left forward for the leads, and we're gonna go 1, rock together, now back, 5, 6, 7, forward with the left, 1, 2, together, back with the right, 5, 6, 7, which is the opposite for the follows, 3 and 5, 6, 7, basic, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the side. We're gonna open up, transfer, rock together, transfer, rock together, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna go to the basic on the 1, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. So those are our two main basics. Now we're gonna learn how to let her go from the closed position to the open. And now we're gonna do it with the steps. So it goes basic and 1, 2, 3. Let her go and relax. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Now we're gonna do our third basic. We're gonna let go of one hand and just slightly rotate. Then we're gonna collect and we're gonna let go of the other one and rotate. Now we're gonna try with the steps, and we're gonna go back on the 1, rock, 2, 3, and back, 6, 7, open, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, double back break, open, 1, 2, 3, switch, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, collect and basic, and 1, 2, 3, close position, keep stepping, just raise the hand, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. So there you go, your three main basics. Just remember, the follows always start on the count of 1 with the right, while the leads always start on the count of 1 with the left. And we're always mirror image, meaning if he comes forward, I go back. If he goes back, I go forward. It's on the same side, opposite legs. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. And now we're gonna try it with the music so you can see the flow of all three basics. All right, let's try it with the music. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, to the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, let her go, relax, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, double back, open, 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So here is your 3 main basics. I hope you enjoy it and have fun and learn something. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to let us know what you would like next time. And stay tuned for more videos.